What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying VK makeup, which is short for Visual K Makeup, and I am so excited for this, guys. Like, you don't even know. I just feel like the eye makeup is gorgeous and I want to try it. It honestly reminds me a lot of gyaru makeup, and I do that every day, so like, it can't be that hard, can it? Like, this has definitely been on my list of makeup styles that I want to try. So here we go. We're gonna try VK makeup today. In VK makeup, their base is always white, so you already know what we're gonna have to use. We're gonna have to use this palette. Why did I slide it up like that? I'm going to be painting my face white again. This is not the first time I've done this, but every time I paint my face white, I just look so freaking crazy. Once the makeup is finished, it looks amazing. So I'm gonna put my reference pictures on the screen. A lot of colors that I see in VK makeup is blue, red, purple, stuff like that. And the main color I want to focus on today is blue because I think that would be really cute. I've started to put the white on my face. Okay, I'm just gonna cut to when this is done because I look freaking crazy right now. Ignore this. I'm gonna cut to when my whole face is white. Okay, I'm just trying not to laugh at myself. Okay, so my face is all white. Basically, now I want to go ahead and work on the contour. But in VK makeup, the contour is very light and very subtle. It's only a little bit of contour, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do that first because that seems pretty easy. Okay, here goes nothing, guys. I just used a gray from this palette, and that looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the eyes. I'm gonna do the eyeshadow first, and I definitely want to use a lot of different shades of blue. Using some blue colors from these two palettes. So I think this turned out pretty good, and I'm just gonna do this on the other eye. Okay, I think the eyeshadow looks pretty good right now. Now I'm gonna do some more details with the eyes, and I'm really afraid to mess this up. I'm just gonna go in and do it, and I'm not gonna be afraid. I'm just gonna do this like I do in my everyday makeup, and we'll just see how that goes. I'm actually not really looking forward to messing this up. I'm gonna actually thicken it up a little bit because I think their droops are a little thick. Okay, I think that does not look bad. And I'm just gonna move on and do this eye. I don't know if I 100% like them, and I don't know if I 100% did good on them. My hands were wobbly the whole time, and I did a lot of it off camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyebrows. You know what? The eyebrows really brought it together. That's like really what this makeup needed. Okay, so I just went ahead and I'm like kind of smoking out the top of my eyeshadow. It's giving it a lot more depth, and it's making the eyeshadow look a lot more better. Now that we have most of the face done, I'm gonna work on the lips, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lashes. I think I'm gonna actually make my lips blue, and I'm actually gonna use this blue color right here, and I'm just gonna put it on my lips, and I'm just gonna see how it looks. So I made my lips blue, but now I'm gonna line it with some black. Y'all, the lips actually help this makeup look a lot. Like, I feel like this ties together a lot. This one is for all the VK baddies out there, because I know y'all are watching. Y'all need to let me know how I'm doing, if I'm doing stuff right, because I feel like I'm doing a lot of things wrong. I'm gonna put on the lashes, which are basically just my everyday lashes, and we're gonna see how this makeup look actually looks in the end. Wait, this is kind of giving like a lot. Like, this looks really freaking good. Y'all, this looks so freaking good, and I thought I wasn't gonna be able to pull this off. What the heck? I think I actually just did it, y'all. Did y'all just hear that loud playing? Okay, anyways, interrupting my video. Guys, I literally just took my hair down and then I put on this hat. I ate this up, y'all. Y'all, this looks so freaking good. I can't believe I did this. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so freaking fun. I look like a baddie right now. And of course, if you do VK makeup, let me know what I did wrong and what I did good so I can improve, because I want to be doing this again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. This was so much fun, and I definitely want to do this again. Don't forget to follow my socials, my Instagram and my TikTok. They will be on the screen right here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!